What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So glad you clicked on today's video because personally I wish I would have known this before I did my very own oil change. And the reason I'm saying that is because I made a few mistakes, did a few things correctly. On my first oil change ever, I had all the tools I ever needed from my father since I still lived with him. But now that I don't have any of those tools, and I made a lot of mistakes, and you live and you learn, and I went and I bought. So I'm going to show you some of the things that I know you need to have when you do your first oil change, and what you really don't need to know, and what is honestly most important to me doing the oil change. So to get to it, first of all, if you have a Volkswagen GTI or a Golf R, you're going to see an oil plug that looks kind of like this. It's got the hex Allen key looking thing. Super annoying. I don't know why they use it, along with along with the copper washer. As you can see on this one, look, this was brand new, brand spanking new. I bought it at AutoZone because I don't want to ship it from ECS, it takes too long. Brand new, didn't work. Before I tell you the things I messed up on, I want to tell you what I did correctly and what you guys should make sure you do correctly. And that first thing is going to be, before you do the oil change on your car, if it's been sitting and it's cold, go ahead and run it for 3 to 4 minutes. Let the oil move around in it and get somewhat hot. Like if you have a temp gauge that actually tells you precise numbers, get it to about 112, 120 degrees Fahrenheit, and then park it and do it. Reason being is the oil will move through the engine, catch everything that's stuck around the pistons and bring it back down. Although all the bad sediment you don't want in your engine will come down, so you can take it out when you take the plug out. And then when you go to do your oil drain plug, if you haven't already done the math on what size your oil drain plug is, go ahead, give yourself a hex or star point torque set. I found out these work the best on the OEM Volkswagen drain plugs because they're all a different size. I've noticed in threads online that I've been reading about, everyone seems to have a different size, whether it being a big one or a small hex. It always seems to be a different size. I think there's honestly 3 different sizes Volkswagen used, and comment down below if I'm wrong, and if you know the exact ones, let me know. The next one I have found is one of the most important things to do your own oil change is getting your own torque wrench. Get yourself a torque wrench, get yourself a torque. These can be very expensive or very cheap wherever you get them. I got mine at Harbor Freight for $20 and it works amazing, and it saved my butt. The next thing, personal opinion, when you go to change your oil drain plug, because you have to change it every 2 times, and if you've never done an oil change on your car, go ahead and change it. I found replacing the copper washer to a rubber washer because it helps seal it a lot better, so you don't have freaking leaky drain plug. If you have the right tool set, if you have a torque wrench, and you have patience, you can get it done right and not do the things wrong. So that was a quick little video for you guys, and if you enjoyed it, please leave a like. Make sure you subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next video.